Menteri ka kot kekhia jong ke jela uba el hek ula Leit Jngoh ya ka Gurdwara ya ka balapin kelas ya ka Jaka Shong Slung na ka bentaban ajing erap ya gitu ki bayo ya ka jengpang covid khat khandai na ka liang uba hek ula ajing ero ya ki jai ben rusik ki belong ki jai ben rew ki bujumi bet syakmat ban yerap ya kari ne ke jela lagi don ha kanu ka sausian kuman chuban rap ki jai ben rusik ha kan ke jela menda ki lapli ya ka Jaka Shong Slung na ka benda ki pai ba jong ke jela ki bayo ya ka jengpang covid khat khandai ban nalor ki Jaka sa ban ki jeng sumar la airu ya ka bam ka di khem dan kam ban siu pisa ye.
You have seen them from the beginning. They have the golden temple where they serve the people every day in their langar giving free food. You have seen in the globe, we have written in the newspaper, we have seen in the television how the Sikh community, they are coming forward to serve the humanity. The humanity service is a service to God. So we'd like to thank the Sikh community of Shillong, the Gurudwara of Shillong for coming forward. We're giving this services to the people of Meghalaya. They are not only giving free this Corona Care Center, even they are ready to supply the food from their langar. Free food to all the people who will be staying here in this Corona Care Center. On behalf of the Meghalaya government, on behalf of the health department, we are very grateful and thankful to each one of you, especially our president, the secretary, the members and also the youth. They are voluntarily coming to give their voluntary service to serve the people who will be staying here. Not only here, I've seen them. And everywhere, if any crisis, any disasters there, the Sikh community is always at the front to serve the humanity, to serve the people. So once again, on behalf of the people of Meghalaya, we are sincerely thanks to the Sikh community of Shillong and the people of the globe, of the Sikh community of the globe, who are always been there in any time of crisis and disaster that people are facing. We are there in the front to serve the people. So today we are having another 2 program also. That is the pediatricians of Association, Doctor of Pediatricians. They are going to giving pre-distribution of the pulse oximeter. That people, if we take this pulse oximeter, they can go to test their own oxygen level at home and to check whatever it is the possibility which is this pulse oximeter has been shown. It will be helpful for the people who are isolation at home, who those who are staying at home. So once again, I take this opportunity and I take this my honor to declare this Corona Care Center of Gurudwara, which is sponsored by them. I declare today, the 22nd of May 2021, is open.